So this photo shouldn't take long. It's basically changing the names from whatever language this is, I do not recognize the language, into English. First thing that needs to happen is we need the Creative Commons license. So if we come over here, it says that we must give credit and tell what was changed. So this is the link for the author. I don't see the author's name anywhere there. I've spent several minutes looking for the author's name on this page. So just link it and say change titles to English. So like maybe put that up. Oops, that's what I get for splitting my monitor. So maybe put it up here. So all of these titles need to be deleted and the proper structure needs to be written on it. So I'm going to type them really quickly just above them and cross them out. Here are the structures. These are kidneys. These are urethra. And these right here are also the urethra. This is the urinary bladder. Can you also label this the urinary bladder and this the urinary bladder? So my Photoshop does not have line tools, or I cannot find it for the life of me. And I've given up looking, so maybe if you can find the line tool, that point it to here, to this one, and this one, or just label it individually. So this is the urogenital diaphragm, it's pointing to this. This is the prostate, this is a urethra, this is a urethra. Oops, that shouldn't be there. And this is a urethra. Lastly, this is the orifice of the ureter. Can you label that? And then this area right here is the trigony. And these lines are the rugae. And repeat that for this one down here as well. Thank you.